Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki Customs, and we're going to go ahead and jump into the video on how I achieved my box braids. So I sectioned my hair in the rubber band boxes just to make stuff go a lot easier and smoother for me. Okay, so the hair that I'm using right now is called Queen Bee. It is 50 inches. It is pre-stretched, so it's already ready to use. And I sectioned them off in about 5 braids. 5 pieces about this thick. And I've started on my hair last night and I got like halfway done. What's taking me so long is I'm pregnant. I have to take multiple breaks to eat, use the restroom, etc., etc. And overall, I know I sound out of breath, but anyways. But overall, I think I'm doing a pretty consistent job. Okay, so I am not a professional braider, so the way I grip my hair may seem and look funny. It's like totally different from everyone else's, but I kind of go with the flow and kind of go what's easier for me. So what I'm doing is I grab the section as a whole and I start braiding it in. And once I get my rear hair to the middle, I split it in half. Well, in 3 parts. And I try to keep the strands separated so it can come out in order and somewhat straightish. And I am also braiding as close to the section as possible so it can come out really tight. I don't want it, I don't want any loose braids and no slipping, of course. And I try not to keep reaching over my head because I hear that is bad for pregnancy. So I am taking my slow, sweet time. Y'all, when I say the struggle was real, it's real, so real. I was tired and all. So now that I am completely done, I boiled some fresh hot water and I go in to dip my braids, and that is sealing them, and so they won't be as stiff, and it gives it a nice flowy look. And I let them sit in the boiling water for at least about 30-40 seconds. And I have the towel around me just for safety precautions because this water is like extremely hot. And I try not to drip none of it on my belly or my body. So now I'm going to go in with my mousse. This is not the brand that I usually use. I usually use Lotta Body or Nairobi, but it was a last minute thing. I got it from Walmart and it's still going to do just the same. Now this is the final outcome. I am not a professional braider at all, and this is my first time doing box braids on myself while also pregnant. So I'm gonna let you know the struggle was real, okay? Let's see, it took me like 2.5 days, because the first day I just did my parting and my rubber bands, and then I went to sleep, ate, woke back up, and then started on the box braids, and that literally took me another day and a half. But thank you all for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because me and baby is getting a little hungry now. And I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and if you have any advice on how I can get better, or if you would like to see more videos, just comment below.